What's up everyone, Robert Silver here, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of a pro model shoot using only natural light. No strobes, no softboxes, no reflectors, just the Nikon Z6 Mark III, 2 lenses, and learning how to read light. If you have ever wondered how to create high-end portraits without carrying a lighting kit, this is for you. And if you like this kind of content, smash that like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Now before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to today's model, Carla. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram. You can find a link to her profile down below. And the gear that I'm using, well, first is the Nikon Z6 Mark III and 2 lenses. The 2 lenses that I chose to bring was the Nikon Z24-120 f4 lens and the Viltrox 135mm f1.8 lab lens. And of course, you can find links to all of the gear that I've used down below in the description. The beauty of the Nikon Z6 Mark III is the dynamic range. It lets me preserve highlights while still pulling detail from shadows, which is crucial when working with natural light. Natural light, as you know, can be very unpredictable, but that's what makes it a powerful source of light. Let me share some awesome tips from my experience shooting natural light portraits. Hold up, quick interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second. Now, are you tired of guessing your way through off-camera flash, building your portfolio, working with a model, or struggling to take better portraits in natural light? Yeah, I've been there.
Sign me up, because that's me.
Now is your time to learn from someone who's already made the mistakes so you don't have to. That's why I offer personal mentorship, online or in person. Whether you want to nail your lighting, sharpen your editing, or just want to stop making videos that look like crime scene footage, I got you. You don't have to figure this stuff out alone. Let's get your work looking like you actually meant to do it. Click the link below or head to robertsilverphotography.com and let's get to work. Now, back to the video. Most photographers chase bright light. I chase directional light. Shadows create depth, they sculpt the face, and they add mood. Instead of placing the model directly in even lighting, I position her so that light falls from one side, letting the opposite side fall into shadow. That contrast adds dimension and drama. And with the Z6 Mark III, I slightly underexpose to protect highlights, then let the shadows stay rich. I'm not afraid of darkness. Darkness actually adds emotion. Here's something that photographers often overlook: bounce light. Even when you don't bring a reflector, nature gives you one. The ground, a wall, concrete sidewalks, light-colored buildings. When sunlight hits the ground, it reflects upward, creating a subtle fill light underneath the model's face. If I want softer light, I'll position the model near a light-colored wall so the sun hits the wall and bounces back onto her. It's natural fill light. It's natural fill light, and it looks incredibly organic. Now pay attention to what's around you. Light doesn't just hit your subject, it bounces everywhere. Natural light is strongest midday, but that doesn't mean you avoid it. Instead of fighting harsh light, control direction. Turn your model slightly, feather the light across the face, use backlighting and expose for skin tones. Sometimes I'll shoot backlit and let the sun create rim light in the hair, then rely on bounce from the ground to illuminate the face. That combination gives you separation, glow, and depth without a single flash. With the Z6 Mark III's autofocus tracking, I can stay focused on composition and expression instead of worrying about technical distractions. Natural light isn't about having perfect light. It's about understanding light. Use shadows for contrast, use bounce for fill, control direction instead of fighting intensity. And remember, you don't need a full lighting setup to create professional portraits. You just need vision. If you enjoyed this behind the shoot, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you team natural light or team flash? I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.